Dodge Ram engine will not crank refers to when the Dodge Ram truck's crankshaft will not turn and start the motor. This video will detail the 5 main reasons why a Dodge Ram engine will not crank. Keep in mind this information is specific to the 2001 through 2008 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. Now, before we get into the reasons why your Dodge Ram engine won't crank over, I highly suggest you download the factory service manual. You can instantly download the factory repair manual at 911manual.com. So basically, you can just go to the website and then click on where it says Truck Manuals. And then just download the repair manual for your Dodge Ram truck. The download repair manuals cover every aspect of repair, from basic maintenance to complete engine overhaul. They also show you how to fix everything discussed in this video. Okay, so if your Dodge Ram engine will not crank, check for one or more of the following possible malfunctions. Number 1, weak or dead battery. Charge or replace the battery if necessary. If the battery tests good, but it keeps going dead, then you need to check or test the charging system, in which case you should refer to the Electrical Charging Diagnosis and Testing section in the download repair manual. Number 2, corroded or loose battery connections. Clean and tighten suspect battery and or starter connections. Number 3, faulty starter or related circuits. Check the starting system. Refer to the Electrical Starting Diagnosis and Testing section in the downloadable repair manual. Number 4, seized accessory drive component. Remove accessory drive belt and attempt to start the engine. If the engine starts, repair or replace the seized component. Refer to the repair manual for more information on how to do that. Number 5, engine internal mechanical failure or hydrostatic lock. To check this, refer to the Engine Diagnosis and Testing section in the repair manual. Anyway, those are the 5 main reasons why a Dodge Ram engine will not crank. I hope you found this information helpful, and as mentioned before, always use the download factory repair manual when attempting to service or repair your Dodge Ram truck.